In this video, I will show you how to translate a website into another language in Safari web browser on iPhone. Launch the web browser and open the website you want to translate to another language. I will tell you in advance that the language you want to translate to should be added in the settings as the second language of the iPhone. So, to translate a piece of text on a web page, tap and hold on the text until you see a selection and a menu above the text. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. Slide the selection over all the text you want to translate by pulling the blue circles. Then, tap on the arrow in the menu above the text and select Translate. A window will pop up with the translation of the selected text into another language. In my case, it's Spanish. Next, let's translate the entire web page. Scroll the web page until the address bar appears at the top of the screen. Next, tap on the icon on the left side of the address bar. In the menu that appears, select Translate. The web page will be completely translated into another language. To return to the original translation language, open the menu again and select View Original. Thank you for watching.